Welcome in, everybody. We're going to do a quick drawing for June's bingo winner, 2025. Good luck, everybody. And our winner is none other than wonderful Diana B. So, Misty, if you could email me at that fabulous email in the description box, or I can put it in the description box down below, but it's scrolling along the screen. When you email me, I need you to choose the gift card for $10, or if you want to pay for the shipping for a physical prize, I will ship you a physical prize. If you choose the physical prize, then I will also need your address. And let's see if I can get a little bit of a scrolly here. Let's go this route. Here is my Cash App, my Venmo, and or PayPal, which PayPal is the same as my email address. So if you choose the physical prize, I will let you know what the shipping will be, and we can go from there. So congratulations, Ms. Helena.